Like teacher, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I see you've started sharing.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So like according to the assignment the teacher gave us, like the question was explain the reasons why computers are warm booted, and like explain the reasons. Okay, using PowerPoint. That I remember that was the question.
Yes.
So explain the reasons why computers are warm booted. And warm booting is like there is the starting of a computer. Can you get me, people?
Yes, we are listening. But do you have the work in a presentation? Because we can't see it on the screen.
You can't see it.
Yes, it is not visible here.
I don't know why it isn't, but okay, for me I can see it here because it is in PowerPoint.
Maybe you screen shared a different window, a different. Do you have many tabs opened on the computer?
Like,
Hmm? Do you have
pardon?
only PowerPoint opened on your desktop?
Yeah, I have PowerPoint only. Okay, let me see.
You can stop share and then reshare again.
Okay. How about now?
It's the same thing, but you first discuss for us what you have there.
Okay, like you asked us, explain the reasons why computers are warm boot. And according to me, okay, I am going to first explain what warm booting is. And warm booting refers to the restarting of the system using the restart button. That is according to my explanation. So, and we are going to go on. Okay, in warm booting, we can use Control, Alt, and Delete, like to restart a computer or a system. So, and we should go to we should go to the work you gave us. It was reasons why computers are warm booting, and it's like reasons why computers are restarted using the restart button. So my first reason was to clear memory of to clear memory of any malware, and and mal and malware, these are short malicious software, or is a file or a code typically delivered over a network that infects, explores, or steals or conducts virtually any behavior an attacker wants. And the main reason is to clear memory of any malware. And our second reason was to stop memory linkage, which occur when programs don't close properly, like any memory leakage. I think that is self-explanatory. And the third reason is one boot keeps the computer running quickly, like when it doesn't freeze. Yeah, one booting keeps the computer running quickly, or like to function quickly. And our fourth reason was to refresh the system. Yeah, I think you know what refreshing is, like refreshing the system. Then third, our fifth reason is to increase the processing speed and system performance, like to, I don't know how to explain it, but to increase the processing speed. Like, okay, the speed of the system, okay, the speed how the system is working. So to increase the processing system and system performance. Then our sixth reason is to remove other files that could cause the computer to freeze. Because in most cases, when you keep on your computer, like you may find when your computer has frozen. So why we won't boot our computers is to remove other files that could cause the computer to freeze. Then our other reason is to allow the system to configure a new software and hardware, like a new software and hardware. Then our last reason is to fix the internet connection, because sometimes computers lose their internet and need to restart to establish the connection. So in some cases, we need to fix the internet. Why we won't boot, we may need to fix our internet connection because computers lose their internet. So you have to restart it so that the internet can be in a good condition. So those are my reasons.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for that presentation. Shilia's network is unstable. She's supposed to present, but she's off again. She has texted me here that she has poor network. So I think do you have any question about your presentation?
Not really.
Did you send that work for marking? Did I send you the feedback?
Like you haven't sent me, like I sent it to you, but then I went in WhatsApp and you told me that I should resend it. And when I went to the site wasn't loading. So when I asked Mr. Kakuru told me that they are still working on the site.
Okay, I think it
Yeah.
is now fine. The site is now fine.
Okay,
Yeah,
I think I'm going to send it after this engagement.
yes, sent and I give you the feedback. Have
Okay.
you tried to look into the course? There are some interactive content. Have you tried to fill those contents and then the other activity after every unit? The last
Yeah,
activity.
I've gone through about boating, or of course boating.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good move. Shilia is here. Shilia, you're welcome. You can please share your screen and then discuss for us what you have about the reasons for warm booting. That's the activity I think you have. You can share with us what your finds are. Shiria, can you hear us? Okay, I see the response in the chat. You can share the screen and discuss for us what you have. Hope has finished. So we are waiting on you. If you have any challenge, you can put it in the chat. Which work? Okay, there is an activity I gave you about warm booting, and was asking for the reasons why we should warm boot the computers. That's what we are waiting for. Unless you didn't do that work, you tell us. Let us know. Okay, you've not done the work yet. Okay. Please do that work when we finish this engagement and submit for marking. You can ask for an engagement. We discuss about that work. Hope I'm sending another activity on the group. So Shiria, this time you will have two activities to do. The one I'm sending on the group and the one you haven't done yet. So make sure that you do both activities and send on the site for marking. Okay, I think, all right. If you do not have any inquiry, we can end here, but don't forget to register for the spelling bee. There are very many prizes attached to those ones that are going to win. So please go find the link in your respective groups, WhatsApp groups, and register for that spelling bee.
Like, teacher, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Like, you mean you're going to only be studying theory? Like, you won't study some practicals?
Oh, the practicals, we shall study them as well. So I wanted us to end to accomplish this unit, and then we take on a unit of practical. So we do a unit in theory, a unit in practical, like that.
Okay. That's
Maybe you can suggest the unit, a topic in practical, so that we can start with that. Sharia, you can also suggest yours.
I think PowerPoint.
Okay, PowerPoint. How about Sharia? Should we start with PowerPoint after this unit? Yes, okay. Right, that's cool. Any other inquiry? Hope, are you joining the spelling bee?
Yes, I'm going to register.
Okay, that's good. Shiria says no question. Okay. Shiria, are you joining the spelling bee? When is it, madam? It is on Saturday. You go on the group, the whole information is there on the WhatsApp groups in Yaaka. You check the details are there. It is supposed to take place on Saturday, and you're supposed to register to take a part of it. So please don't miss it out. Yeah, okay. Thank you for attending. If you do not have any other inquiry, we can end this. You go on the WhatsApp group, register for the spelling bee, and then attempt the activities
Okay,
and
teacher.
continue with your reading on the site. In case you find any challenge in the reading, you just inbox me. I help you out.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Welcome. A good afternoon.
Good afternoon.